Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm looking crazy right now. My hair is in like 6 or something like that. In today's video, I am going to be using the Revlon Salon one-step hairdryer and styler. I have been wanting to use this for ages. I haven't applied heat on my hair in such a long time, so I'm kind of excited to blow my hair out a little bit and see it blown out. So this is my hair. It's literally in a shrunken state. I literally just washed it and I've let it air dry for like 45 minutes. So I'm just going in now with my heat protector and I just rub it through my hair from the ends to the top, and let's see how this goes. I'm actually excited. Oh, love to do the top. So guys, I've blown this side out. The thickness right now is mad. Oh my god. Wow. Difference. This bit's all shrunken. This side's blown out. So guys, this is the end result. Oh my gosh, I'm actually sweating because that was like a real arm workout. It did a good job. The only thing was it was taking a while for my roots to dry, but like everywhere else was fine. And yeah, as you can see, I still have a little bit of brown in the ends of my hair. If you haven't seen the video of me dyeing my hair 2 years ago, that's crazy. I'm gonna link it below, so check that out. And then I made a 1-year update, you can check that out as well. And it's almost 1 year later and I still haven't dyed my hair red, which I said I was gonna do. And I haven't done it. But listen, we're in some type of lockdown and I don't know. I've got the red dye at home and everything. Well, I've got the red dye hair with me. And I don't know if I'm feeling spontaneous. Might just do it. Might even cut my hair bald. I don't even know. But yeah, this is it. I've got some ends that need trimming. Can you guys see this? Like, oh my gosh. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to trim it in a minute, but off camera because I'm not a professional. I'm turning around so you guys can see. That's the back. Side. Oh my gosh. glasses off. I can see now. I don't know. Do you know what? I'm so tempted right now to just go and literally just like straighten my hair bone straight, but I haven't straightened my hair in 1 year. Look at that. Oh yeah, you can see the brown. But yeah, I'm just gonna go and trim the ends. Look at that, ew. But yeah guys, this is my review. I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10 just for the fact that it was really hard. Like my roots were taking so long, like over here it was taking so long to dry. Like I had to go over it quite a few times. But other than that, it's amazing. It might not do that for everyone. Ooh. I'm looking at the ends right now and this is not cute. But yeah, I would definitely say it's something good to do if you don't want to like apply. It's not a lot of heat that comes out when you're doing it, and it also has a cool setting, and then you can do it on a cooler heat. Look at all my hair, goodness gracious me. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. When I use my other blow dryer, it kind of straightens it a little bit more. Like this is good for the fact that it's quick and it's easy, but the ends are still kind of thick on this, you know, I can't lie. That's all gotta go. That's all gotta go. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will definitely see you in my next video. If you want me to do any hair related stuff, comment down below. We're in quarantine or whatever, we're in lockdown, whatever. I got the time. So yeah, look at this. This is dead hair. This has got to go. This has got to go, honey. But yeah guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.